I said the duck, I call it fun, for I have my little rubbers on. They make a cunning three-toed track in the soft cool mud, quack, quack, quack. I cried the dandelion, my roots are thirsty, my buds are dry. And she lifted a tousled yellow head out of a green and grassy bed. I hope 'twill pour, I hope 'twill pour, purred the tree totem's grey back door, for with a broadleaf for a roof, I am perfectly weatherproof. I shut a tent, for I can run with my high-top boots and my raincoat on, through every puddle and runlet and pool that I can find on my way to school.